Okay, welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's get right into it. All right, here we go. First off, I want to thank, this is Lauren helping me out. This is at the Cabrillo dance studio. And behind the camera is Maria. All right, so today we got some intricate moves, some hand-eye coordination stuff. So this is a great exercise for anybody who wants to practice their hand-eye coordination or eye and leg coordination. Okay, but the first move, it's a house step. And let's break it down. This is a slow, we're gonna do a halftime. Here we go. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so basically I'm taking out the traveling part, okay, and we're doing a halftime. We're going slow, so I'm basically jumping on my right, left, right. So here we go. 1 and 2. Right on the 2, I'm going down, I'm bending down, I'm bending my right knee, my left leg is straightening out. And a lot of house dancers use this move where they would actually reach. I'm not reaching my hand right now, but this is my left hand. They would reach left hand to the left foot, right hand to the right foot. 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so it's acting like a pendulum. It's almost like a pendulum going back and forth. Lauren did a great job there staying low. So the key here is staying low on the 2, 4s, and 6. Okay, let's take a look. Let's try a little bit faster. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so you see here, I kind of did a little reach. See the hand? I didn't reach as much, but see, there's a little bit of reach. It's almost like you're trying to reach with your foot. Reach and reach. Okay. All right. So now the next part is we want to try to travel with it. Okay. So let's take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you notice right on the 1. You see how I'm hooking. Lauren did a great job. I'm hooking behind. 1 and 2. See, notice I'm hopping right there. Okay. See how this leg, this foot is leaving the ground already before this one even lands. Okay. So when you do it slow, a lot of students, they step. After they step, then they kick the leg out. That doesn't work. You have to jump into it. Okay. Lauren also, perfect job right there. 1 and 2 right there. And see how the legs kind of swing around to the back side. And then we have 3 and, right, 3 and now look, I'm going to jump. See, the foot is off the ground before this foot even lands. Same with Lauren right there. Great job. 3 and 4. Okay. And then 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So that's our first 8 count. All right. Let's go into our second 8 count. This is more the hand and leg coordination activity. Here we go. And I think we're doing the legs first. Let's check it out. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay. So we just broke down just the leg, and we're stopping at 6 because and 7 and 8, it's its own separate thing. So we're gonna stop at the 6. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just kicking to the side. Okay. And 5 and 6. The key is this. I want to slow down right here. 2, 3, and 4. After 4, you got to think on the and. I'm landing on the and. Lauren did a great job. Right on the and, the knees are together. Okay. And on the 5, knee comes out. 5 and 6, in, out. And right now, I'm pivoting on the ball of my feet. Okay. So we got to and 6. Now, let's do that part tempo. Okay. So try that first. Get the leg down first. A lot of time, you know, if you're watching this for the first time, and if you weren't in my class, then you might want to watch the entire video first and then get back into training your legs before you add the arms, all right? But I'm gonna break down the arms right now. So for those students that are in the class, you guys know what I'm talking about. We're gonna do the arms right now. Sorry, I just rewound that. So that was the legs at tempo. Let's take a look at the arms. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so the arm starts at 5. Okay, but let's watch that one more time. 1. So I'm diving my hand down. It's almost like I'm imagining I'm digging something deep. You know what I'm saying? So after 1, 2, I'm slicing down and slicing up on the 2, 2 and 3. The and 3, watch the and. That's the and. The arms here is on the and. 3, I pull apart. Okay, 3, pull apart. And put it back on and. 4 right here. This is like a tutting motion. I'm trying to get the good angle. I didn't really have a perfect 90 degree right there, but we're trying to get that. 4 and 5. So cross on that and 5. All right. And 5. Okay, so let's take a look at that tempo, just the arms. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so that's where we got the arms. Now, let's take a look at what it looks like halftime or halftime with the arms and the legs. So this gets a little bit confusing. Again, anytime you're learning, you're combining the arms and legs, which are doing the different things together. It takes a little bit of time, but we'll get it. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So notice on the and 6, arms aren't moving, just the legs are doing the and 6. Okay? All right, one more time. Let's watch that slow. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. All right. So let's, I think we're doing this tempo. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. All right, so that was kind of fast, but let's check it one more time. Lauren's doing a great job. By the way, this is the first day that she's learned this. So and she was getting this right away. So great job, Lauren. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, good. We're almost done. We're almost done. Let's finish this up. Okay, let's finish up on the and 7 and 8. Let's do it slow. And 7 and 8. Okay, and 7 and 8. So on the and 7, let's rewind this real quick. So right there, and, right? So this will be my left shoulder. Left shoulder comes up on and 5. We want to keep the shoulder there. On the knee comes in on 5. And 5. And keeping the knee, keeping everything else isolated. So we're moving just the shoulder. That's the and 8. Knee comes out on an 8, keeping the shoulder up. Okay, Lauren, great job right there. Let's watch that one time slow. And 7 and 8. That's it. All right. All right. So let's see if we can do it. I think we're doing this half time. The last 8 count. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Excellent. Good. Okay, so I think we're going to do this part tempo. Okay? So, check it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So a lot of isolation. Not a lot of isolation, I'm sorry. This is just 1 8 count of isolation. But it's a good little exercise for anybody to get started with. Okay? So now, let's put it all together. This is what we saw in the first clip. The first and the second 8 counts together. Check it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, so that's it for today. Hope you guys like it. If you did, definitely hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely do that. And share with anybody who can benefit from it. All right? So until next time, I'll see you. Peace.